Hello, I'm John Schertzer, and I'll be reading from Second Nature, which is a 2022 Big Other Book Award finalist for poetry. Neanderthal warrior priestess pumps gas. This and other forms ignites a universe. Or is it belief in fiery plumes transcribed from non-local attempts at consciousness? It merely smells like something you'd want to drink on a troubling day, one of many vectors converging on that intention to be real, but only a story telling other stories until an end of one brings an end to all. Cascadings as the digits fly in the face of the pump. A radio plays, the scent of urine mixes, weaves, a counterbeat, the live and dead she straddles. With each breath, each inch of fuel that pours into the vehicle, the flesh and steel strains to be awake, to continue as a thing growing and dying together.